Leaks about the potential arrival of the OnePlus 13 have started to surface online just a few months after the launch of its predecessor, the OnePlus 12. Reports have emerged about the upcoming phone, suggesting exciting upgrades in terms of performance, cameras, and design. While we are still months away from the official launch of the OnePlus 13, here's everything that we have come across so far. According to renowned tipster Digital Chat Station, who took to the popular social media platform Weibo, the OnePlus 13 is rumored to boast an expansive 6.8-inch micro-curved display, operating at a crisp 2K resolution. Building on the success of its predecessors, the device is expected to incorporate LTPO technology, promising improved battery efficiency. The OnePlus 13 also has a new design and comes with an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. Early leaks suggest a noteworthy upgrade in the form of an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, promising seamless device unlocking even under adverse conditions such as oily or dirty fingers. This is a significant improvement over its predecessor's optical scanner. On the other hand, recent reports mentioned that the upcoming OnePlus 13 might be the first phone to feature the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 SoC. But there are conflicting pieces that say it could be the Xiaomi 15 Series 2. Additionally, the OnePlus 13 might come with on-device AI capabilities and IR Blaster. Referring to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, the new chip is said to perform close to Apple's M3 chip. It is curious what the 8 Gen 4 can do, which is promised to offer a better experience compared to the A16 SoC in the iPhone 16 series. Although the Geekbench 6 results leaked a few weeks ago indicate a perfect year for the Android side, it will take time before we know everything. Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 scored 2845 on single-core and 10628 on multi-core in the leaked Geekbench 6 results, which is quite close to Apple's M3 chip. We will start seeing devices with Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 in the fourth quarter of this year, especially the comparison between the highly anticipated Apple A18 Pro and Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 will reveal which chip will win in 2025. Past leaks have shown the handset in a white shade with a Hasselblad-branded triple rear camera. The camera unit was earlier said to feature a 50-megapixel main camera alongside an ultra-wide lens and a telephoto sensor. The leak states that the OnePlus 13 will be equipped with a multifocal camera system. Like the predecessor model, the OnePlus 13 will continue to feature a periscope telephoto camera for higher optical zoom. OnePlus 13 is expected to go official at the end of this year with high-end internals compared to the OnePlus 12. Reflecting on its predecessor's pricing strategy, the OnePlus 13 is expected to fall within a similar price range, although the possibility of a slight increase cannot be ruled out. The final pricing will hinge on the extent of upgrades and their perceived impact on the overall user experience. With anticipation building for the OnePlus 13, enthusiasts eagerly await further revelations in the coming weeks or months, eager to see if OnePlus can once again deliver a flagship device that combines cutting-edge features with an attractive price point, setting new standards in the competitive smartphone market. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest in tech news. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.